In this video, we are going to see how we can extract some of the critical closing reports that is necessary to finalize the company reports, that is profit and loss and balance sheet. We have already extracted the trial balance. Now it's the time to extract some other critical reports. Click on the reports, click on financials and click on financial again. Here we have profit and loss statement and balance sheet report. We get the same options if we click on the financial module, click on the financial reports. We have the same area right here. And the third option can be search by menus. Let's say that you want to urgently extract the profit and loss report. All you have to do is just write profit and it will show you profit and loss statement right here. Click on this and let's suppose that we are extracting it for the whole year from 1st of January till 31st of December. So let's specify 31st of December and we can specify how do we want that. Let's suppose it is an annual report, quarterly report. You can mention it right here. But since this is an annual report, I'll just continue with that. Click OK. And let's move to level 4 so that we can see all the details. And in here, we cannot hide titles because if we hide titles, it will look like a trial balance. So we need the titles here so that we can see the gross profit, the net profit, and so on and so forth. So after that, let's suppose that we want it to be extracted in Excel. Click on Excel. Click OK. And we just save it as an Excel sheet on the desktop. Click yes. And here is the report. But since we don't have Excel here, we'll place it in our main system. And this is the report that we get. Don't worry if you have some different balances. This can usually happen when you have a lot of entries to enter. But what you can do if you have felt that the transaction is not showing the same balance that it should show, you can manually check the entries, or you can just consider that relevant entries in the project so that you can easily figure that out. And what you can also do is just search by menus and click on transaction journal report and check for all the journal entries, because everything at the end is a journal entry in the system. So just check the relevant journal entries. Let's say that I want it from 1st of January till 31st of December. Click OK. And similarly, you have different areas for journal entries. For AP invoice, you can check all the journal entries to make sure everything is going correctly in the relevant ledgers. You can check incoming payments, deposits, you can check the vendor payments, and so on and so forth. Everything can be seen in the journal entry form here. So what I will do is I will attach this report with the resources section of this video for your reference. Let's move on to the next report, that is balance sheet. So again, you can click on financials, you can click on financial reports and click on financial and balance sheet. That is till 31st of December. Annual report, yes it is. Click OK. And again, this is only showing the assets, liabilities and equity. If you want the further details, you can set it to level 2, level 3 or even level 4 to see the ultimate ledgers. So it totally depends on your preference. Click on Excel to export this report, click OK. And just like that, we can write a light traders balance sheet. Make sure to always save as Excel. Click yes. Here's a balance sheet report. Let's paste it in the main system to check how it looks. Click yes, expand this, and this is how it looks. So this is how you can extract all the closing reports after the completion of project in SAP Business One. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.